in laboratory also. In e-circuit only we are going to do. Okay. Now I will give one problem. Okay. All right. POS form. You are to simplify that a given expression using K-map. Then you have to realize it using logic gate. Then we will proceed for doing the same thing in CAR. Okay, that is your e-circuit. So given problem states, you have to simplify y is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 7, 12, 14, 15. Okay, this is the given problem. So this is SOP form or a POS form? You have to tell me the answer.
POS form.
POS form,
POS.
because there is a product symbol. So we'll try to solve this problem using POS format. Using K-map, you have to solve the problem. You have to simplify it so that you will be using lesser number of gates to realize the expression, and then we will go for implementation of the same using e-circuit. Okay, now try to solve the problem. First draw the Karnaugh map structure. This is a 4 variable thing or a 5 6 way, sorry, 4 or 2 or 3, which one?
Four variable.
Oh, this is y of a comma b comma c comma d, or you take your own notation, because the notation is not given. You can also take it as w x y z. Okay. Now, first thing that you are going to do is you are going to draw the standard K-map 4 variable structure. So I am doing the same thing. I am drawing it. You also should do the same thing in your notebook. Are you trying this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do this 4 variable K-map structure on your own. You draw it. A, B, C, D. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. All are doing it or not? So
Yes,
here
ma'am.
unbar is 0 or bar is 0. This is POS. So
Unbar
unbar
is
is 0 or bar is 0.
unbar is 0.
Unbar is 0. So I am representing 0 B, 0 0 as AB. Okay. So A, B bar, then A bar, B bar, then A bar B. Okay, same thing here. CD, then CD bar, then C bar, D bar, then C bar D. All are done with the K-map structure. What about the rest in class?
Yes, ma'am.
So to
Yes, ma'am.
proceed as I'm
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
proceeding.
ma'am.
Okay. So same problem I will not give for you. At the end, I will give another problem for you to solve on your own. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So this is POS form. All of you understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I have to go back to the given expression. So the given expression says 0, 2, 4, 6. So I have to fill the cells 0, 2, 4, 6, 7, 12, 14, 15 with the zeros or ones.
Zeros.
0. So 0, 2, 4, 6.
Zeros.
Have you copied the problem? Copy the problem. I will ask
Yes,
you
ma'am.
where I have to place. You have to tell me. 0, 4, 6, 0, 2, 4, 6, 7, 12, 14, 15. Finish the? Shall we proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me what are the placements that I have to finish? 0. So I am placing 1 0 here. Then what else?
2,
0, 2,
2,
2.
6,
Here I
4,
am having 4. And then here I am
6,
having 6. I
6,
am having
7,
7
7,
here.
12,
12,
12 here. 14
14,
here.
14,
15.
15.
Okay, unlike the previous case where you solve problems on SOP, here it is POS, so I have to place the cells or fill the cells with the zeros only. Remember the difference. Okay. Now the next thing is grouping. As usual, grouping won't change. So I can group it as a singleton or a pair or quadra or octa. Okay, so what are the possible ways that I can group it? Group the zeros.
Ma'am, first 0, 4.
So I will use a different color. So I am having one 4 combination of zeros,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
that I can group it. So
Two
what will be
six.
the equivalent expression that I will have for this combination, green color grouping? So if you check these two, what is common?
B bar, C bar.
V bar is common. If you check these two, what is common?
C bar.
C bar. So if you are writing means you have to write it as B bar plus C bar, not B bar dot C bar. Here it is POS, so you have to write it as B bar plus C bar. All of you understood this
Yes,
concept?
ma'am.
Okay. Next grouping. What are the next possible grouping that we
6.
can do?
2 6.
2 6. 2 6 is one pair that will result in higher number of gates. So you have to go for larger groupings that are possible. So here you can group this 0 0 and this 0 0. Is it possible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So what will be the equivalent for the purple grouping? Between
D
these two,
plus
again
B bar.
common is
B bar.
B complement. And between these two, the common point is again D. Okay, so B complement plus D. That is the second grouping I have done. So any other possible grouping?
Yes, ma'am. 2 and 6 will be there now.
How
Or
we will group?
0 4 and 2 6.
I am grouping it in another color. You can group like this, but it will
0
again
4.
result in a larger number of gate requirements. So rather than grouping it as a pair, I am trying to group it as a quad.
0 2 4 6.
So I can do this. Okay, so tell me what will be the combination that I will have for this black color map.
A
Black
plus
color code.
A plus D.
A plus
D.
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 So completely, if I want to write down the answer, then what is answer? A plus D. This is product
into
of sum. So next will be B complement plus C complement for the quad. Then B complement plus D. This
Plus
is
D.
your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that you are going to realize using gates. So what are the possible gates that you are to use? How many inputs are there? A, B, C, D, 4 inputs. So what
4
are the
inputs.
gate combinations that you need to realize this?
AND gate and NOR gate.
How many AND gates? Here you want OR gate. AND
3.
gate or OR gate? You are going to get it from me. Summing operation AND gate or OR gate? First thing.
Or gate.
OR
OR
gate,
gate.
ma'am.
So
Or
you
gate.
have to realize this with OR gate, here OR gate, here OR gate. Then
Hmm?
before that, here you have to take complement. So not gate, not gate, not gate. Okay.
And
Then
gate.
finally you have to take the product. So AND gate you are going to
And
use.
gate.
Okay. So you people should realize this in terms of a gate. So I am using 3 or 4 inputs. So A, B, C, D. So A, then D, that I have to R. So this will be my A plus D. Then I have to take the complement of B. So not gate I am using, this is B complement. That I have to again R with the C complement.
Yes, ma'am.
C complement. So this will be B complement plus C complement.
C complement.
Then same B complement I can use from here. Okay, D complement.
No, ma'am. Only D.
Okay, so this is B complement plus
D.
D. Okay, finally I have to take the product
Using AND gate.
gate. Okay, so this way y is equal to A plus D dot all these
D
B
complement.
plus D, all these will come. So this is how you will be realizing it using gates. Next thing that you have to do is you have to check the output. What output you have to check? Using laboratory you are going to check. So you have to do the truth table combination. So first thing is A, B, C, D. Okay. Then A plus D. Then B bar plus D. Then B complement plus D. Then finally your output Y. Like this, you have to do the truth table. Now you tell me what possible combinations you will have. 0, 0, 0, 0. Tell me the sequence.
0, 0, 0, 1.
0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0,
1,
0,
0,
0,
0.
1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. You have to continue. Okay, this will continue. Page is not enough, so I am stopping here, but you have to continue. Now, what is A plus D? A here, D here. So, what is A plus D?
0.
0.
0. Then A plus D. 1 here, 0
1.
here, 1 here, 0 here, 1 here, 0. Like this,
0.
you have to proceed. Then B complement D. So this is B complement 1. 1 plus
1.
0, 1 here, and then 1 plus 1, 1 here,
G-
then 1 here, then 1 here, then 0 here, then 1 here, then 0, like that. Okay. Then B complement plus C complement.
1,
This
1,
will turn
1,
to 1, 1. So 1, then 1, then
1.
this will be 1, 0. So again 1, I think. Okay. Again 1, I think. Okay. Again 1, I think. Correct? Am I doing wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
0. This will be 1. And this will be 0. So what is the combination B complement plus C complement A? This will become 1. This will become 0. So what is 1 plus 0? 1 only, no?
Yes.
1, ma'am.
Huh?
1.
Yes.
Correct or wrong?
Yes, ma'am. 1.
1 only, no? Correct only, no? I am doing. In case
Yes,
if I am
ma'am.
doing mistake, you
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me. Yeah. Then this combination is also B complement plus C complement. So B complement plus C complement will be again, this will turn to 1 and this will turn to 0. So again 1. So we are done with this thing. So Y is given by A plus D dot B bar plus D dot. So you have to multiply everything. So what will be the answer? This will become 0. And what about this one?
1.
This will become 1. And here it's 0 again. Okay. And again 1
1.
and 0. Okay, so
0.
on it will come. Okay, like this you have to first put the tabular column. So next we will move on to how to implement the same using gates in E circuits. All of you have understood up to this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See,
Yes, ma'am.
you finish the truth table. I will now shift on to the other system for presentation. So I will close this window. Have you finished the truth table?
No, ma'am. Doing it.
Copy it. I will ask answers from your side to check it. All are doing the same thing or not? Only 5 or handful of people will give me some response. All the others will sleep. Have you copied? Erla? Aryan, Ayush, Aditya, Agarwal,
Yes, ma'am, copying.
Yes, ma'am.
Chinmay.
Yes, ma'am.
Rather than copying, you try to do things on your own. Then only you can cross check with my answers. If I did some mistake, silly mistake, you can correct me. You know how to proceed now.
Okay, ma'am.
Aryan, Aditya, Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Dhruv, Gopu, Jai Krishna, Sai Pritam. What is the use of Gaurav Soni attending the lab class when you are not interested in submitting any record files? You are going to get a 0 for all the record components. Varun, Vaibhav, Utsav, Utkarsh also same thing. Anish, Suraj, Yonesh, all finished? Shall I proceed to the next
Ma'am,
system?
yes, ma'am, you called my
Yes,
name.
ma'am.
I copied this.
Oh,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
called. Okay, I'll shift to presentation from the other screen. Okay, so I'll quit presenting from here. Remember, I won't ask you to proceed with the same problem. I will give you another problem to solve. So understand the concept and do. Same thing you will do for university lab also. It will not be the same problem that I am solving here in class. So as usual, you know how to go for e-circuit. Okay, all are able to see the screen that I'm showing?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, like this, first you assemble. Okay, like I taught you, you pick and place 3 number of AND gates, 2 number of NOT gates. Because there is no 3 input AND gate, I have combined 2 AND gates to do the operation. Take care that no bad connections are there. Okay. Like this one, this one that I am pointing, that I have taken as A. This one I have taken as D. Okay, I will try to put some text box or something if possible. It's not possible to name a thing. Okay, so I am considering this one as my A. Okay, this one as my B. Okay, and this one as my D. Actually, all are able to follow.
Ma'am, we can name it.
Otherwise, I have to do from the beginning. You want me to do from beginning? Okay, I will do from beginning for your sake. So I am starting from the first. So I am taking OR gate. 3 number of OR gates I need. So I am connecting 3 number of OR gates. All are doing the same thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, 2 number of NOT gates for taking B complement and C complement I have to have. So I am adding 2 number of inverter. Okay. Right, this is for my B complement and this is for my C complement. Okay. Then finally I have to multiply all these things to take product of sum. So I am using an AND gate. There is no 3 input AND gate. So in order to multiply the 3 outputs, I am using another AND gate. Okay, like this I have assembled components. Have you finished up to this part?
No, ma'am.
Finish. Because sometimes the connection, if it is wrong, means you will not get the answer. So Are you people done or not?
Ma'am, from where you have input the starting one gate?
Starting one gate means I'll show draw. Okay, logic gates, input and output. Then whichever gates you want, you can pick and place. Inverter is not gate. Understood? Whoever was asking the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, finish fast. Are you down or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we proceed then? What about the rest in class?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I have 4 inputs. So this gate that I am showing in display, that will be given inputs A and D. Okay, A and D. So again draw. Okay, add logic inputs. So this is my A, this is my D. Okay, A and D. Give it A and D because there is no text box here to represent in a clear manner. I am telling orally again and again. These inputs are A and D. Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I have to give B complement and C complement. So let this be my B complement. Okay, this is my B complement. This is my C complement. Understood? So this is my B input. This is my C input. This is my A input. This is my A, D input. B, C. So output here will be B complement. Here it will be C complement. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, I have to connect it. So here I will be getting A plus D. Okay. That I will be connecting to the AND gate. And here I am getting B complement. So this B complement is shared again by this input also. So first thing is that I will connect, by wire. Okay. You take a wire, add wire, and here this B complement is shared by this gate also. This is B complement, so that I have connected. Then I will use this connection. Like this, if I give means bad connection will not come. So this is my B complement that I have shared between the two OR gates. There are 3 OR operation: A plus D, B complement plus C complement, B complement plus D. So I am sharing that B complement. Finished that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next C complement. C complement is given here. Okay, so this gate is ready. This will give you, the output of this will give you B complement plus C complement. Okay, third OR gate will give you B complement plus C complement. The first OR gate will give you A plus D. And here I have to have what output? Middle one. What is this max term? Middle one.
B complement plus D.
Complement plus D.
B complement plus D. So D I will take it from here above. Okay. So here I am having one D. So I can take one D from here. Okay. Now also it's not showing bad connection. So take care while giving connection that there is no bad connection. Okay. Now I have given A plus D. This one will be A plus D. This one will be B complement plus D. This one will be B complement plus C. Next I have to take the product of sum. So this is my A complement. Sorry, A plus D that I am connecting as an input here. Okay. Next, this one is I think B complement plus D. So I'm giving it. Okay, so this is 2 input that is solved. So the output of which I am giving here. Okay, to which I am going to multiply the last term. Okay, now from this I will collect the output. So again go back to draw, take one logic output and give it. Okay, here I will take my output. All of you finished up to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Take care that there are no bad connections. Okay, in this This that I am circling, you should not have any dialogue popping up saying
Yes,
that
ma'am.
all are done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Let
ma'am.
me hear yes from all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, the power output, where did you get that from?
Same draw, logic gate input and output, add logic output.
Okay.
Okay. L means low state, 0. H means one state, that is high state. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
All are done now. Now finally we are going to check the truth table. All are finished with the truth table. Huh? All are done with the truth table.
Yes, ma'am.
So first combination of A, B, C, D, what are they? Low, 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 low. That is 0, 0, 0, 0. So you can see 0, A, D is 0, B is 0, C is 0. So what is the output that you are getting?
Low.
Low. Okay, Y is low. Now I will go to the next combination 0, 0, 0, 1. So A is 0, B is 0, C is
C.
0, D alone I will change. So this is my D that I will change. Okay. So you can check what is output that I'm getting.
High.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next
Correct.
what
Correct.
combination? A is 0, B is low, C is high, and D is low. 0, 0, 1, 0. So what is the output that I should get? What is the output as per the truth table?
Low.
Low. Okay. Tell me the next combination. A is low, B is low, then C is high, and D is also high. So what is the output that I have to get there?
Ma'am, hi.
High. High is there or not there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me the answer for the next combination. A is 0, B is high, the remaining are low. So what is the output that I am getting?
Ma'am, low.
Low. Okay. Then what is the next combination? 0, 1, 0, 1. So A is low, B is high, C is low, and this one is high. So what is the output that I am getting?
Ma'am, hi, ma'am.
High. Okay. For the next thing and all, you are to tell me the answer. I am not going to check up to this only. Or otherwise, one more thing. Last combination, that is 1, 1, 1, 1. That I will check. For which the answer is low again. High, high everywhere, high everywhere. 1, 1, 1, 1. So the output is should be
High,
what?
ma'am.
Low, high. Yeah.
Low.
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 1, 1, 1. Low. Okay. So this is how you have to finish this experiment. Okay. Understood, Aman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what you are supposed to do is I will give you one fresh expression that you have to write in E circuit, and same 4 variable only I will give. Out of which you have to pick at least 5 combinations of inputs and you have to show me the output. Okay. The first thing that you have to do is you have to write down the expression, draw the k variable map, simplify the expression, realize that using gates I have done, then you have to write the truth table, fill the output cell, then you have to check the answer in the E circuit, and out of this 16 combinations, any 5 you have to fix up, paste as the circuit in your observation. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will give you one more expression. Shall I give? Wait, I will give one more expression. Take down the question that I am dictating. This question only you have to try it. Zero Are you taking it down? 0, 0, 2, 3, 4. 0, 2, 3, 4. Are you taking 0, 2, 3, 4? Then
Ma'am, 0, 2, 3, 4, then
wait, 0, 2, 3, 4, 8. 10, 8, 10. 4. 14. Okay, 0, 2, 3, 4, 8, 10, 14.
ma'am, but what, pi or sigma?
5 only, 5 only. Product of sum, 5. Okay, all are done with the question. Zero, 2, 3, 4, 8, and 14. I'm opening on Jamboard. Wait, I'll dictate the question again. So this will be the last experiment. One more study experiment is there, that is modulation techniques, that you write it as such given in the record. Okay, with this lab is over, next day order 1 you will be having model lab. Okay, so all are able to see the screen that I'm showing.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know how to write it. So phi of m 0, 2, 3, 4, 8, 10, 14. This is your given question. It is equivalent to y of w x y z. That is a question. All have copied the question, huh? This is the question for which you are to finish the lab. Okay. So what is the simplified expression that you are having? This product of sum. Okay. I will not take the same thing again in theory. Directly I will go to the one more theory part that is left out, that is modulation techniques. That's all. What is the answer? Somebody finish the Karna map? Okay, I'm closing the Jamboard. I'm assuming all have copied your question.
Yes.
Shall I close it? Because I'm a little
Yes,
bit
ma'am.
confused.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm closing it. Tell me what is the simplified expression that you got there. That I want to check it with you. Okay. Shall we close the lab? Will you finish it? Or you want me to stick with you?
Ma'am, we have to finish this experiment for a lab, the second one, or it is just for practice?
No, this one only how to do for lab, not the one that I have taught you how to do.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. The new expression that I've given you just now, that only you have to realize it in E circuits. Understood everybody in class or not, man?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The earlier one that I've taught you, how to use the new expression. First thing is you have to draw the k variable structure. Then you have to find the simplified Boolean expression. Then you have to draw the realization using gates. Then you have to complete the truth table. Then only you have to proceed for E circuits. Okay. Then you have to,
Okay.
out of the 16 combination of inputs that you are having, you have to pick any 5 that circuits you have to cut and copy paste in your record for me to cross check with the truth table whether you are giving me the correct answer or not.
Ma'am, would you
Understood?
please repeat? Voice was breaking here.
See, in the truth table you will be having I think 16 combinations of inputs, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, out of which you pick any 5. Okay, out of 16 you pick 5, and for that you have to cut copy paste the E circuits. Okay, this is the combination that I got for 1 1 1 1. So I will cut copy and paste it. Similarly 0 0 0 0 or any 5 combination you pick, cut copy and paste it. Okay, that I will cross check with the truth table, then only I will put full mark. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, shall we discuss then? See, and one more experiment is also there that is a study experiment, so you have to write it as a study as such. Different types of modulation techniques. That is your last experiment that does not have any experimentation part to do. So simple study experiment only. You have to write it as such. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, with that this lab is over. I'm hoping I have satisfied you people in some or the other way, teaching you these circuits in virtual lab. Okay. All right. Next day order
Yes,
1
ma'am.
will have model practical. Okay, model practical. It involves all the 12 experiments that you are having. Same way, university lab will also be conducted. There won't be any change. Okay. Each and
Ma'am,
every one of you will be having a separate experiment to do.
what will be the pattern?
Pattern? What pattern you mean? Each
Ma'am,
one of you will have a separate experiment. You
ma'am,
have
we
to
have to
finish
write
it
all
and you
aim
have to
apparatus.
press on screen. What?
Ma'am, we have to write all aim apparatus.
Aim, apparatus, procedure in 5 steps. Then circuit diagram, tabular column. Then each circuit you have to present to me that you have completed. Okay, then only you will get full mark.
Okay,
Result.
ma'am.
Okay, result.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
Viva will be there for 5 marks. Okay,
Ma'am, we have to write or we have to give orally?
Viva,
Yes, ma'am.
written.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you
Yeah.
understood the procedure?
Yes, ma'am. And
Yes,
2 hours
ma'am.
time?
I will, I think same timing, I think 10:50 to 12:30. And
Okay, ma'am.
your entire class will be split into 2 batches. First batch will have the first hour and second batch will have the second hour. Slow overlap.
Okay, ma'am.
1.5 hours, you people will have first batch and second batch. I think 56 people are there. So I think 27 in first batch and the remaining in second batch. 1.5 hours and 1.5 hours. Okay.
My splitting will be based on their roll number, no?
Yes, roll number. First 27 or something in first batch and the remaining in the second batch. So before that, you submit all the experiments. I've told you hundreds of times. Still, people are not listening to me. This is the easy portion in which you can get bulk mark. And if people are not realizing it, almost Danush, so many of you have not submitted. I think you do not have the interest to get good marks and get good grades. I cannot come to your home, take your hand, make you do something so that you can get mark. It's your own responsibility. That's the final thing that I will say. Okay. Those who have not submitted the last module, that is the 5 experiments, last 5 experiments average, I will mark it for CT3 component. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, would you
The
please?
answer is wrong. Okay. A plus C plus D into A plus B plus C bar plus A bar plus C bar plus D dot B plus
Ma'am,
C.
how but
Check it. It's your. Otherwise, how will you learn?
okay, ma'am, I've done some wrong.
Okay. The answer is A plus C plus D. Dot A plus B plus C complements. I'm typing in the answer. Okay, don't do it wrong. You should get this answer only. Star indicates complement. Okay. That should be the answer that you should get. All have got it in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
That should be the answer that you should get. Star is complement. Okay. Understood?
Yes, ma'am, I too got it, ma'am. I had not written x-axis only.
Okay, ma. So I am hoping all of you grasped whatever things I have told you today and you understood this experiment. It's a very, very easy experiment only. This experiment and verification of logic gates. If you get this experiment in university or model, you will be the lucky guy. Okay. I'm hoping so. Alright. So with this POS kernel map realization, I am finishing it. Only one more class I will spend for teaching you modulation techniques. With that, the entire syllabus for you is over. And start preparing now itself, because 5 units you are going to do for CT3. Okay, I think the duration of test is 1 hour 20 minutes or 2 hour, I don't know. Okay, 2 hour or 1 hour. I think it's a 3 hour test, 2 hours you will get, I think so. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, February 12th, your exam falls as the first exam. So start preparing now itself rather than bunking everything at the last moment. So with this, shall we close, or you have any other doubts to ask me?
No, ma'am.
In the E circuit, are you have you understood everything regarding how to proceed with this experiment?
Yes, ma'am.
Take care that you do not give bad connections. Okay, this display should not show bad connections, otherwise you will not get the correct answer. Okay, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
So shall we disperse, or you want to ask anything else? See, and one more thing I wanted to ask you: have you been told to access Zoho?
Zoho? No, ma'am.
You are accessing URP, no?
Yes, ma'am. Student portal.
Yes, the other student portal they will ask you to access, because they are asking us to mark marks in a different portal. Okay, for CT2 and all. I've already entered your CT2 mark. You should check it. Okay, once it is activated for you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Your first component of theory and lab marks. Second component of theory and lab marks I will finish entering. Okay. So the third component of lab marks will be based upon the average of the last 5 experiments. Plus I have given you an assignment, fluorescent lamp. You have to do a video module. I told you for 5 minutes. That will give you assignment mark, 5 mark. I will open the assignment data. Okay. So
Okay,
that
ma'am.
also going to finish. Okay. Without which you will lose 5 marks. You have to make a video 5-minute run or 2-minute run explaining how you have given connection for fluorescent tube. Okay. That is your assignment seminar mark. Understood or not?
Ma'am, in market, not getting the starter, ma'am.
What starter? You go to the electronic shop and get starter.
Yeah, ma'am. I visited 2 to 3 shops in my locality. They are saying that type of tube light is not coming. Only LED
Type
tube
of?
lights we are having.
What are they telling you? That
Tube
type
light.
tube light is not coming, huh?
Yeah, ma'am. Only
So
LED type of tube light are coming.
okay, if they are
And in
telling
that
you that,
and in the LED
no
there is no
LED and all.
starter.
Okay, no LED and all.
Yeah, ma'am.
Integrated starter
Ma'am,
fluorescent lamp is there.
ma'am, I have visited, ma'am. I have visited 2 to 3
Wait,
shops. They are not
listen
giving.
to me. Okay, if starter is
Ma'am,
there
what?
means starter is not there means integrated starter fluorescent lamp is there.
So,
Okay.
ma'am, why? How can I show the connection in the integrated starter?
A phase and neutral supply alone you give. Choke you got.
No, ma'am, nothing. Only one that
You give, you
background
take
tube.
see,
There
let
is only
me
one tube.
talk, man. First, let me talk. Okay. If you are not getting fluorescent lamp, then two lamps you get, bulbs you get, and give connection with phase and neutral and switch it. Okay, and
LED bulb.
blow it. Okay,
LED
and
bulb. LED bulb.
LED. Okay, LED. Two LED. Okay, two LED, two switch, then phase neutral, plug point. Okay.
This we have done in 6th or 7th.
You already finished means okay. I am telling you two bulb, not one bulb.
हाँ
Not
ma'am, 2
a
bulb,
single
4
LED.
bulb.
Power LED lamp you have to use.
Power LED.
Ma'am, we can do the same which you have done in the video.
Yes, yes, yes. That is what I wanted to do.
We can do with
Okay, ma'am.
battery. We can do
People
with
should not give me silly reasons saying that I am not getting this. If you want 10 mark, you work hard to give me that, get that 10 mark. That's all. That is the thing that I will tell you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If you are not getting a choke starter, you do connection with the two lamp, two one-way switch, plug point socket. Okay.
No, we have to connect with live wire or with battery.
One way, yes, yes. Who is asking me the silly questions? If you have the heart to do, you will be able to do no matter what. Rishi Jain is asking me this question. That means you are a lazy boy.
No, ma'am, not lazy.
Okay. So you have to show me a 2 to 5 minute video. Then only you will get assignment and seminar or 5 marks. Otherwise you lose it. That's all. Today or tomorrow I will open that assignment date and I will give you only 1 week to finish that. Because I have told this assignment way back. You should be ready with the module. Okay, now I am closing the meeting. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Well,
excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, in the answer, you have missed a bar, ma'am.
which bar?
Ma'am, would you please check the chat box?
Yes, ma'am. I'm also getting same answer.
Yes, ma'am. In last
A plus
bracket,
C
you have
plus
missed a
D.
bar.
Which bar I missed?
Ma'am, in the
Ma'am,
last
in
bracket, you have
last.
written a B plus D. There you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
missed
A
a
bar.
bar.
Here they have given B plus D only in that one. Okay, I will check it after seeing your observation. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Yes,
okay. Thank you, ma'am.
thank you, ma'am.
See, all the corner zeros you can map. I think you will not get the take compliment.
Achha, corner.
All the corner zeros on 4 sides you can map a squad.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes,
Let me
yes, ma'am.
present screen. Wait, I will present screen. Don't do wrong things. That way one see, you are able to see how they have mapped them? Yes or no? This last one.
Yes, ma'am. Got it, got it.
Like that you have to group, okay? So this corner zeros are all mapped.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you will
Yes,
get
ma'am. Got it.
Yes, ma'am.
with this shall we discuss?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.